So in this video, I'd like to show you how to create an airfoil in Solidworks. And if I type just Naka profile and then go to airfoil tools, go to airfoil plotter. So just click the airfoil plotter. Let's start with the simple one, Naka 001, 0012, and then 10,000 millimeter. Yes, so you will have all of this information, but if you put 0, and then you put plot. So if it is the pitching degree or the pitching angle is 0, it stays like that. But if you sometimes you have to put like how many, what's the pitch angle, so you put that is changed as well. Download CVS file, find it, then you put 0 on here. This is all the information. Just put 0 in here, all 0. So from here, copy that, copy this one, this files, or all the number, copy, and then file, save as, and from there in SolidWorks, go to feature, curve, curve to X, Y, and Z, point, browse, 0, 1, 2, and then you see this, it's actually here. Okay, so when you have this curve, so after you transfer, click sketch, convert entities, and then you click intersection, and then tick, like select entities, this one, and then just click OK, but then convert entities again, convert entities, entities to convert, you click this one, you click the box here, and then click that. So H1, you see H1 here, and then OK. Usually from here, I use the 2D instead of 3D. I will copy that. Yeah, I click that. Control C, and then front plane, make a sketch, and I click the sketch, and I paste it. Okay, I click OK. So now you have a sketch 4. You have 3 of them. So I usually either I hide it or delete it. Or I usually like delete it instead. But the curve, hide it. Right. So you work on a 2D sketch and edit and add line. You can add curve or line, it's fine, doesn't matter. But right, that's the one. This is the first. And if you want to extrude the file, you can extrude it immediately. Select contact, click, and then so just put the number, and you can see it's just it changed here from here. So you create a sketch, front plane, another sketch. So I like to put it airfoil, and then so from here, for instance, if you have to create a circle, create a line, camber line like that. Construction, I don't really want to teach something complicated. Then I can put something like right. So this is just an example. So this is it. This is just for example, but this is actually, this is too heavy as well. So that's it.